So today I'm going to be taking you through the steps of how to assemble the Santa Claus hanging. So we're going to get hold of the body that we've made as per the pattern and also the hat. And right at the top center point of the hat, I'm going to be inserting my hook through, and we're going to pull onto the hanging loop through that point like this. Now we're going to just put the hat on top of the head. Now I'm going to get hold of the nose, and I'm going to put the tail end through my darning needle, and we're going to be placing the nose between round 13 and 15. So it's going to be somewhere right around here, and make sure that the tail end of the nose is facing down. And now I'm going to be sewing up the nose onto the head like this. I'm going to get hold of the beard that we've made earlier, and we're going to place the beard just below the nose. I'm going to get hold of my needle and put the long end of the tail from the beard through. And now we're going to just get this beard into its position and just pin it up like this. And now we're going to sew it from the bottom end and not the top end. So I'm going to sew it from the bottom end like this. I'm going to just get the hat back onto the head and make sure that it's in position, covering up the head and edges of the beard. We can now trim the beard. Just hold up the yarn and just trim it up a little bit like this. And let's get the hat back into its position, and I'm going to get hold of my darning needle again, pull the tail end of the hat into the needle, and now we're going to sew up the hat onto the head like this. Now we're going to work on the hanging, and I'm going to get hold of a bead cap, and I'm going to pull the loop through the bead cap, and I'm also going to get hold of a golden bead, and I'm going to pull the loop through the golden bead like this. And I'm going to now place in a knot just to secure the bead. Just pull onto the loop a little bit to make the hat come into a gathered position, and there we go. So we can trim a little bit of the beard now, like this. And there we go. Our Santa Claus hanging is ready.